After leveling off during the transition to an ILS approach late at night, a pilot forgets to increase the power and allows the airspeed of the aircraft to drop. A stall warning sounds. The pilot quickly takes control, but his corrective action leads to an overspeed, and further corrective action almost leads to a second stall warning. Thankfully, the pilot regains control and the aircraft lands safely. When investigating this incident, it is concluded that SOPs were not followed, monitoring was ineffective, and crew coordination during recovery was poor. Crew alertness and performance may have been affected by fatigue, a state of reduced alertness or mental performance that can impair one's ability to safely operate an aircraft or perform safety-related duties, such as monitoring threats and preventing hazards. It's often the result of sleep deficit or interruption of the normal sleep pattern, or mental fatigue from high concentration, a likely occurrence for pilots and air traffic controllers since they frequently work at night or early in the morning. In addition, transit across time zones can disrupt circadian rhythms, and that may make it difficult for flight crew operating long-haul routes through multiple time zones to get enough quality rest before they start work. Fatigue usually leads to impaired standards of operation and increased likelihood of omissions, errors, and failure to follow procedure. It can mean longer reaction times, reduced attentiveness, impaired memory, or a withdrawn mood. For pilots, fatigue can lead to inaccurate flying, missed radio calls, relevant system status messages going unnoticed, routine tasks being performed incorrectly or even forgotten, and in extreme cases, even to pilots falling asleep, for a short microsleep or for a longer period. In addition, it can affect both pilots at the same time. For controllers, fatigue can lead to poor decision-making, slower reaction speed to changing situations, impending conflictions going unnoticed, loss of situational awareness, and forgetfulness. That's why organizations must manage shifts and rest periods to allow for enough quality rest. Furthermore, both pilots and controllers should be professional and adopt suitable strategies to avoid fatigue and be rested and fit when they come to work. They should not be shy or afraid to admit they are fatigued, and always inform their colleagues if they do not feel able to work safely. Find out more about fatigue on SKYbrary.